Good day everyone. Today I'll be showing you how you can fix charging port in any kind of Android phone very easily. Step by step, how you can fix charging port, replace it and put a new one easily. Please don't forget to like, share, comment. Thank you. Okay, first of all, use your paste. Make sure you use paste because paste will make it very easy for you to remove the charging port. Use your paste, any kind of Android phone. This is Android charging port. You can fix it like this. In any kind of phone you want to change the charging port, you can still use this same trick to change it. It is very easy to change. Use paste, very easy. Make sure you are using a good soldering iron. Make sure you are using a very good soldering iron so that you will not cut one of the lines, one of the charging lines. That's the new charging port I want to fix. Very easy. You take your time to fix it. All the legs, make sure you put lead. You put lead. Dress it very well. Don't allow anyone to touch the other leg. You put your lead in the legs too, so that it will be very strong. Also lead the legs very well, so that it will be strong. Okay, you take your time. Make sure the legs are well dressed. You see? Very clean. You see? Very good. Excellent. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment.